everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rhonda and I'm on day 2 of Vlogmas. So on a whim I decided to start this pretty much yesterday, and I'm very surprised that this will be my second day to post in a row, which is kind of amazing. And who knows, I might make it through the whole month of December, I might not. But anyway, I am doing a little bit of journaling right now, and I am just writing down some thoughts I've had lately about the holidays and COVID and the year and the craziness. And now I'm going to be doing a little gouache painting, a mini gouache painting of a Christmas tree. And so I just cut some watercolor paper. So for the painting, I'm going to use the acrylic gouache that I recently purchased, and I believe it's Holbein. Is that how you say it? I think. And I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm looking at a picture of a Christmas tree that looks nothing like what I am painting. But eventually I'm going to get better at this. I was looking at some other YouTube videos of some Christmas paintings, and they are just so beautiful. And I just wanted to try something different and my own idea, and you know, it's good, it's cute, and I did it all myself. So if you are a beginner like me, then you'll find this pretty easy to duplicate. And I hope you enjoy this mini Vlogmas video. I will try to post another one tomorrow. And that's pretty much it for this video. Oh, no, it's not. Just kidding. I'm gonna do some journaling on the next page. So I don't know if this really goes with the Christmas tree, but I wanted to do some more collaging, and so that's what I did. And now I'm journaling. Sorry this can't be more interesting as a voiceover. It is almost 10 o'clock at night and I'm trying to finish this, so please forgive me, and I hope you enjoyed it and found this entertaining in some way. Yeah, so I will see you again tomorrow, hopefully, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Yes, I hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next one. Bye.